No birdies sing their song. Skies are blue the whole day through for nature and me.
Were against me. Giants were coming at me from all directions. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. With one mighty stroke of my trusty sword, I slew them all. The door! Answer the door! Methinks my royal subjects are not as brave as their brave king. I'll answer the door. Who's there?
Help! Help! Let me in! Help!
Well, what's your name?
I'm Felix the Cat. Who are you?
I'm old King Cole, the merry old soul, and not afraid of anything.
Not even lightning?
Not even lightning. Why, I remember one storm when 10,000 bolts of lightning
Methinks yon royal braggart is unusually windy today.
sounded in my ears.
Ain't you but me, ain't royal pain in the
Heard of wild elephants, but was I afraid? Not old King Cole. I'm not afraid of anything.
Get off the air.
What was that?
Ghost!
I don't believe in ghosts.
Neither do we. What sayest we take the wind out of yon windbag? Let's give him the white. Come on, fellers.
Brag, brag, talking, talking, bragging, bragging, always growing, yeah, 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 yeah. You talk too much, you never shut up, you talk too much, yeah, 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 yeah. You're talking all the time. You brag too much, you never shut up, you brag too much, yeah, 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 yeah. You're bragging all the time. We'll take the wind out of this windbag.
I was surrounded by 1,000 lions, but was I afraid? Not me!
Now we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see if he can take it.
Now we'll give you a dose of your own medicine.
But was I afraid? Not old King Gold. Dropping the wildcat, I grabbed my pocket knife and rushed at the Take it away! Take it away! I'll never do it again! Take it away! I can't stand it! 49 elephants. Followed at the very heel, applying my knife to left and right, and leaving a trail of wounded beasts in my wake. By
the time we reached the middle of the desert, there were only 3 elephants left. I caught them all 3 at once. Am I afraid? Not me. I'm not afraid of anything. My horse. My arm. Just strangled with my bare hand. Suddenly, sounded in my ears. Looking ahead, I saw the wild elephant. Stopping the wildcat, I grabbed my cutting knife and pointed at the leader. He charged toward me. I dared to run, but it couldn't. But was I afraid?
Hooray! We win!
Beaten by the might of the fearless King Kong. I'm not afraid of anything. You said it.
Well, we show them who's boss around here. We're not afraid of anything, we're not afraid at all. We're not afraid of anything, we're not afraid at all. My boy, for your bravery in protecting your king, I crown thee Prince Felix.
We're not afraid, are we?
Not old King Cole.
Or Felix the Cat?